One of the things that make John Singer Sargent work special is his approach. You can see how he can obtain a very realistic portrait, and yet he's being very economic with his brushwork. His approach will be mostly known as the alla prima approach. The alla prima approach basically means that everything is done within one session. This allows the painter to obtain a very efficient result and yet very realistic. It's very clear to see the bravura and the way that he uses brushwork to describe form and especially to describe light and color. The students will be copying his portraits, and through copying his work they will be learning the basics of oil painting. For example, the general rules of colors like hue, value, chroma, looking at the abstraction of shapes. Also, the students will be learning how to apply paint, paying special attention to the brushwork.